Hello astrology lovers. In this video I will talk on share and stock market trading and winning a lottery. Cusps SSL to study. First cusp SSL, as first cusp is connected to self. Fifth cusp SSL, as it is connected to arts and intelligence, and share and stock market trading is an art that can become successful due to intelligence. 11th cusp SSL, as it is connected to fulfillment of desire or fulfillment of ambition. Financial cusps, second, as it is connected to finance. 6th, as it is connected to opponent's loss. 11th, as it is connected to fulfillment of ambition or fulfillment of desire. Cusps favorable for financial cusps. Second, as it is first from second and 10th from fifth. Third, as it is second from second and 11th from fifth. Sixth, as it is fifth from second and second from fifth. 10th, as it is ninth from second and sixth from fifth. 11th, as it is 10th from second and connected to fulfillment of ambition or fulfillment of desire. Cusps neutral for financial cusps. 7th, as it is 6th from second and third from fifth. Cusps adverse for financial cusps. First, as it is 12th from second. 8th, as it is 7th from second and 4th from fifth. 9th, as it is 8th from second. 12th, as it is 12th from first, this loss of Lagna, and it's 8th from fifth. Gains will happen when involvement star lord, commitment is sublord, and final confirmation from sub-sublord. So in involvement 2, 6, 11, commitment also 2, 6, 11, and in final confirmation 2 or 6 or 11 or all 2, 6 and 11. Then in star 2, 6, commitment with 2, in final confirmation any of these or all of the 3. Similarly, involvement 2, 6, commitment with 6 and final confirmation same. Involvement 2, 6, commitment with 11, final confirmation same. Involvement 2, 11, commitment with 2 and final confirmation same. Involvement 2, 11, commitment with 6, final confirmation same. Involvement 2, 11, commitment with 11, final confirmation same. Involvement 6, 11, commitment with 2, final confirmation same. Involvement 6, 11, commitment with 6, final confirmation same. Involvement 6, 11, commitment with 11, final confirmation same. Then in star lord 2, 6, 11, sublord 2, 6, 11, final confirmation 2, 6, 11. Then here in involvement 2, commitment with 2, 6, final confirmation same. Involvement 6, commitment with 2, 6, final confirmation same. Involvement with 11, commitment with 2, 6, final confirmation same. Involvement with 2, commitment with 2, 11, final confirmation same. Involvement with 6, commitment with 2, 11, final confirmation same. Involvement with 11, commitment with 2, 11, final confirmation same. Involvement with 2, commitment with 6, 11, final confirmation same. Involvement with 6, commitment with 6, 11, final confirmation same. And involvement with 11, commitment with 6, 11, and final confirmation same. So with such linkages, gains will happen. Losses will happen when in star 2, 6, 11, commitment with 1, 8, 9 and 12. These are unfavorable cusps for finance. And in final confirmation also 1 or 8 or 9 or 12. So involvement 2, 6, commitment with 1, final confirmation same. Involvement 2, 6, commitment with 8, final confirmation same. Involvement 2, 6, commitment with 9, final confirmation same. Involvement with 2, 6, commitment with 12, final confirmation same. Involvement with 2, 11, commitment with 1, final confirmation same. Involvement with 2, 11, commitment with 8, final confirmation same. Involvement with 2, 11, commitment with 9, final confirmation same. Involvement with 2, 11, commitment with 12, final confirmation same. Involvement with 611, commitment with 1, final confirmation same. Involvement with 611, commitment with 8, final confirmation same. Involvement with 611, commitment with 9, final confirmation same. Involvement with 611, commitment with 12, final confirmation same. Similarly, involvement to 611, commitment 1, 8, 9, 12, final confirmation same. Here 1, involvement of 1, commitment with 2, 6, final confirmation same. Involvement of 8, commitment with 2, 6, final confirmation same. Involvement of 9, commitment with 2, 6, final confirmation same. Involvement of 12, commitment with 2, 6, final confirmation same. Involvement of 1, commitment with 2, 11, final confirmation same. Involvement of 8, commitment with 2, 11, final confirmation same. Involvement of 9, commitment with 2, 11, final confirmation same. Involvement with 12, commitment with 2, 11, final confirmation same. Involvement of 1, commitment with 6, 11, final confirmation same. Involvement of 8, commitment with 6, 11, final confirmation same. Involvement of 9, commitment with 6, 11, final confirmation same. Involvement of 12, commitment with 6, 11, final confirmation same. If no financial cusp 2, 6, 11 appears in star, that's involvement, then no gain. Sub is connected to commitment. It performs task of qualification or specification. If in sublord favorable and unfavorable cusp both appear, then results will be decided by sub-sublord, that's final confirmation. If in sub-sublord final confirmation to favorable and unfavorable cusps both appears, then study results as per the strength of cusps appearing. Rashi is the weakest, star is stronger than Rashi, sub is stronger than star, and sub-sublord is the strongest. I appreciate you took time to watch this video, and if you found this video useful, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, as I will upload more videos on such topics. Also, if you have any questions or queries, then please feel free to connect with me with the information mentioned in the description box. I wish you have a wonderful day and stay safe.